Hello friends, I am Sampada Kulkarni from Department of Information Technology welcomes you for 1 week FDP on e-content development and effective use of ICT. This online FDP is organized by Modern College of Engineering. In this session, I am explaining you or giving an introduction to Classwork tab in Google Classroom. So now let's switch to the Gmail account where I am going to explain you the Classwork tab. Now from these Google apps you can go to the Classwork that I have already explained in the previous session. If you don't know about this, you can go through my previous video session. For your reference, I am providing you a shortcut link in this right up corner. Now let's move to the class or the classroom which is generated for our FDP purpose. So this is, I have created the classroom, I have clicked on this, and now this is the Classwork tab on which I am going to work on today. So this is the Classwork. Now here you can see that what we can do with the Classwork. Assign work to your class here. This is the screen or the window or the facility given by Google. Here we can create the assignment and the question. We can use topics to organize classwork into modules or units, or we can provide the material to the students and we can reorder them. So this is the introduction about classwork, what we can do. But how we can do? So that we can do with the help of this calendar. For this classwork, with the help of this create tab, I'm very sorry, we can create all this classwork with the help of this create tab. For this classwork, the class drive folder is also created by the Google automatically, that which available with your personal Google Drive, that I will explain you whenever you will perform the practicals or the things with respect to Google Drive. So let's start with the create tab. After clicking on create tab, you will see different parts with which we can work on the classwork. They are assignment. These assignments, we can give the question to the students, we can provide a material to the students, and we can reuse the post, as well as we can divide our content according to different topics. These topics you can use as per your syllabus of SPPU, that is unit 1, unit 2, that you can divide your material with these type of different topics. If subtopics you want to prepare, then also you can use this topic tab from the create tab. This calendar is helpful for the scheduling of the assignments or the quiz assignments for your students. So this is all about the introduction of this classwork. So thank you dear colleague for listening and watching my video. For the details you can go here. I am providing you the shortcut link for the next video of this Google Classroom video series. For any query, you can post your queries in the comment box. I will try to solve your all the queries. Thank you dear colleagues.